Before servicing the robot, don't forget to disconnect the AC power and turn off the DC power as well. In this procedure, we're going to remove the gripper tips. In this case, they're called the dummy tips, which have the gray coverings. We use the T-handle, in this case with a 2.5mm bit. So now removing the dummy tip. In this case, the insulating tape that's actually on the connector was stuck to the dummy tip. That sometimes happens. That's okay, you can remove that. So before reinstalling the dummy tips, we have to make sure that this connector that you can see right there has some insulation tape on it. In this case, we're using Kapton tape, but any good insulating tape will work. To reinstall the dummy tips, we'll have to install the 2mm bit into the larger driver and set it to 1.4 Newton meters, which is the closest to 1.36. Again, using Loctite, for installation of the sensor tips, which we have here in the ESD bags, make sure you follow normal ESD procedures. Provided in the user kit is an ESD wrist strap. You need to make sure that you put the wrist strap on, and there is a jack provided on the side of the robot where you can plug in to ground yourself. We're going to again use the T-handle with the 2.5mm bit to remove the dummy tip. In this case, we have to remove this tape, insulation tape. Now the sensor tip has a connector, and the latch must be up to install the flat ribbon cable. Then this latch must go down to lock it in place. The easiest way to do this is to hold this tape with the needle nose pliers, making sure that the latch on the connector is high or up. We insert the flat ribbon cable as far as we can onto the tip and then flip the latch down. In this case, I'm using my finger. You can see that is down right here. The cable is as far in as it will go, and it's reasonably tight. Gentle tug will not pull it off. Now we can install it, and again using some Loctite, using the large torque driver.